Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Miss Pragna. I'm studying in Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. In this session, I'm going to explain JSP action tags. JSP action tags are also called as standard actions because tags are predefined and logic also predefined. No need to implement. JSP actions are used to perform some specific actions or tasks. It is loaded during runtime. The action tags are used to control the flow between pages and to use Java Bean. There are many JSP action tags or elements. JSP actions use constructs XML syntax to control the behavior of the servlet engine. We can dynamically insert a file, reuse Java Beans components, forward the user to another page, or generate HTML for the Java plugin. General syntax of action JSP action tag. JSP action name attribute equals value. JSP action tags description. JSP forwards the request and response to another resources. JSP includes another resource. JSP param sets the parameter value. It is used to forward and include mostly. JSP use bean creates or locates bean objects. JSP set property sets the value of property in the bean object. JSP get property prints the value of property in the bean object. JSP plugin embeds another component such as applet. JSP fallback can be used to print the message if plugin is working. It is used in JSP plugin. JSP forward action tag page should consist of a relative URL of another resource such as a static page, another JSP page, or a Java servlet. JSP include action tag includes the runtime responses of a JSP page into the current page. The JSP include action tag is used to include the content of another resource. It may be JSP, HTML, or servlet. Syntax of JSP include action tag without parameter. JSP include page relative URL. Syntax of JSP include action tag with parameter. JSP include page relative URL. JSP parameter name equals parameter name. Value equals parameter value and expression. JSP parameter action tag adds parameter to the request object, useful for passing the parameters to other JSP action tags such as JSP include and JSP forward tag. Syntax JSP parameter name equals parameter name here, value equals value of parameter here. JSP use bean action tag creates or locates bean object. This action is useful to use bean in a JSP page. Through this tag, we can easily invoke a bean. It first searches for an existing object utilizing the ID and scope variables. If an object is not found, it then tries to create the specified object. Once a bean classes is loaded, we can use JSP set property and JSP get property action to modify and retrieve the bean properties. Syntax JSP use bean id equals name, class equals package dot class, and scope equals scope type. JSP set property action tag. The set property action tag sets the properties of a bean. The bean must have been previously defined before this action. Two ways of defining it: outside JSP use bean tag and inside the JSP use bean tag. Outside JSP use bean tag is JSP set property is executed regardless of whether a new bean was instantiated or an existing bean was found. Inside the JSP use bean tag, set property is executed only if a new object was instantiated and not if an existing one was found. JSP get property action tag. The get property action tag is used to retrieve the value of a given property and converts it to a string and finally inserts it into the output. JSP plugin action tag. The JSP plugin action tag is used to embed applet in a JSP file. The JSP plugin action tag downloads plugin at client side to execute an applet or bean. Syntax of JSP plugin action. JSP plugin type applet bean. Code equals name of class file. Code base directory name of class file. And thank you all.